IPC amendments were made, evidence amendments were made to make a presumption of crime. And this was a very significant step because it reversed the entire criminal jurisprudence. Now we see a lot of these provisions under more, heinous offenses, which are drug, NDPS offenses, MACOCA offenses, UAPA offenses, under the some of the predicate offenses under NIA Act, etc. Terrorist, activities, etc. So we see this change in jurisprudence that has, but dowry laws were one of the first few who got this reverse in jurisprudence, that this crime is so heinous and there is such less probability of availability of evidence that the presumption is in favor of the crime, and then the accused who are part of the matrimonial home, maybe husband, father-in-law, mother-in-law, whoever is in the matrimonial home and is accused, they have to establish their innocence. So this was a huge change, and then, we saw in more number of crimes being added, the definition of rape got amended. A lot of judgments came on this. Acid attack victims were specifically, this was a crime that was on the nudging of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court banned, Laxmi versus Union of India, they banned the sale of acid across the counter because it was just so freely available. It was available for anyone who felt he was a jilted lover or a not respected spouse. He could just buy acid across the counter and throw it on the woman as if it was her property, as if it was his property. So these amendments were very instrumental in bringing about the change. Now, some procedural aspects of the crime. Time is short. I'm trying to just give a few examples. The topic is vast. I can't cover it all, but I'll give you some examples so that you appreciate the journey.